Easy read, nature stories. Octopus. What is special about an octopus? An octopus doesn't have any bones. Not one bone. It has 8 arms. Here is its head, and this is its mantle. The mantle holds the gills, the stomach, and 3 hearts. What kind of creature is the octopus? It isn't a fish. The octopus is a mollusk. Mollusks all have soft bodies. A slug is a mollusk. And so is a snail. This octopus is hunting. It feels around rocks with its arms. Crabs are one of its favorite foods. You might see crab shells near its den. This octopus made its home under a rock. Hello there. Octopus. To see and hear a story about the flicker, click here. Click here if you want to subscribe and get a notice when new videos are added.